Welcome to this video about the best foods for fatty liver. If you or someone you know has been diagnosed with fatty liver disease, then you know how important it is to take care of your liver and keep it healthy. Fatty liver disease is a condition where excess fat accumulates in the liver, which can cause inflammation and damage over time. But the good news is that there are foods that can help improve the health of your liver and even reverse the effects of fatty liver disease. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the best foods for fatty liver, as well as some tips on how to incorporate them into your diet. We'll be looking at foods that are high in antioxidants, healthy fats, and other nutrients that have been shown to improve liver health and function. From leafy greens to fatty fish, we'll cover a range of delicious and nutritious foods that can help support your liver and improve your overall health. So whether you're looking to prevent fatty liver disease or manage its symptoms, you won't want to miss this video. Let's dive in and discover the best 7 foods for fatty liver. 1. Oily fish. Fatty fish like salmon can help reduce inflammation and fat buildup in the liver while boosting your overall body mass index, according to 2015 research. Fatty fish is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for heart and brain health. Found that oily fish was helpful in reducing blood lipids when eaten 2 or more times per week. If you cannot eat fish oil supplements may be an option to discuss with your doctor or a registered dietitian. A 2021 study found that a diet rich in oily fish may reduce the risk of hepatocellular carcinoma, the most common type of liver cancer. People who eat oily fish at least twice a week have a 54% lower risk of developing liver cancer. People who used fish oil supplements also seem to reduce their risk of developing liver cancer by up to 40 to 52%, depending on the type of cancer. 2. Walnuts. When consumed in small amounts, nuts are nutrient-dense snacks that are also high in healthy fats. Aside from promoting cardiovascular health, nuts may also help reduce the incidence of liver disease. Of all the nuts, walnuts are among the most beneficial for reducing fatty liver disease. This is thanks to its high content of antioxidants and fatty acids. Walnuts contain the most omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids, as well as polyphenol antioxidants. In a 2021 study, participants were provided with 28 grams of walnuts per day as part of a Mediterranean diet. People who ate walnuts at least 5 or 6 times a week had a greater loss of hepatic, inside the liver, fat than those who ate less walnuts. This fat loss has been associated with general anti-inflammatory and metabolic health benefits. 3. Avocados. Avocado is a staple food in many cuisines. They are technically part of the berry family and offer many health benefits, including improved liver health. Research from 2015 took a look at the role of certain foods in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. Researchers report that avocado may help lower blood lipids and help prevent liver damage. A 2014 study in rats suggests that avocado oil may help the liver heal from damage. Eating high-fiber foods is a good way to support liver health. 4. Coffee. Your daily cup of coffee may play a more important role in your health than you thought. When it comes to liver health, some studies show that coffee reduces the risk of cirrhosis, cancer, and cirrhosis in the liver. Moderate and regular amounts may help slow the course of existing liver disease. Research from 2021 suggests that drinking coffee can lower your risk of developing liver disease, or fatty liver disease, by about 20%. Because coffee typically contains caffeine, the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, recommends a maximum of 4 to 5, 237 milliliters, cups per day, though a safe amount can vary from person to person. In a 2021 study, Drinking more than 3 or 4 cups of coffee per day seem to provide slightly less protection for the liver. 5. Nuts. Nuts are rich in several key nutrients, including healthy fats, antioxidants, vitamin E, beneficial plant compounds. This combination is responsible for many health benefits, especially for heart health, but it is also likely responsible for the liver. A 2019 study found that a diet rich in nuts is associated with a lower risk of NAFLD. Similarly, a study of nearly 24,000 people showed that those who ate nuts regularly had a lower risk of developing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease than those who ate nuts less frequently. While more high-quality studies are needed, preliminary data indicates that nuts are an important food group for liver health. 6. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables are known for their high fiber content and distinctive flavor. It is also rich in beneficial plant compounds. Some examples of cruciferous vegetables include broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower. Studies show that cruciferous vegetables contain some compounds that alter the detoxification process and protect against harmful compounds. One animal study also found that broccoli was able to help prevent the development of fatty liver in mice. Another 2016 study found that mice fed broccoli developed fewer tumors or fatty liver disease than their counterparts in the control group. Although human studies are limited, cruciferous vegetables show promise as a food that is good for liver health. 7. Blueberries and cranberries. Blueberries and cranberries are both considered to be superfoods due to their high levels of antioxidants and other beneficial nutrients. These berries have been shown to have several potential benefits for individuals with fatty liver disease, including anti-inflammatory properties. Both blueberries and cranberries contain compounds that have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects in the body. Chronic inflammation is a key factor in the development of fatty liver disease, and reducing inflammation may help to improve liver function. Antioxidant activity. Blueberries and cranberries are rich in antioxidants, which help to protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals. Lowering triglycerides. High triglyceride levels are a common feature of fatty liver disease, and reducing these levels may help to improve liver function. Improving insulin sensitivity. This may be beneficial for individuals with fatty liver disease, as insulin resistance is a common feature of the condition. Overall, incorporating blueberries and cranberries into a healthy diet may be beneficial for individuals with fatty liver disease. Thank you for watching this video until the end. We hope you found the information helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking and sharing the video with your friends and family, and watching our previous videos. By doing so, you can stay up to date with our latest content and help us reach a wider audience. Thank you for your support, and we look forward to bringing you more valuable content in the future.